Hello, now we will tell how to install the lock to the frame. For the pinhole, we should make it to 12 millimeter. Another two hole, just right for screw, that's okay. Next, we should install back handle first. The back handle, the pin should turn to anti-lockwise direction. When it cannot turn again, then install. You see, the pin can get in the hole at once. We use the two long screws to fasten the lock body to the frame. Okay, now we install 2-inch screw. The 2-inch screw so that the lock body can stay on the frame stable. The lock body always should be open situation. Then we install the front handle. The pin should turn to the lockwise direction, then you cannot turn again. And also this pin can keep this direction, then install. You see, the pin can get in at once and easily. Now we finish the lock installing. We will test how it works. Use the key. Okay, another side. That's all. Thank you.